I'll make it all come true.
Yo, what up everyone, it's Math Reaper here and I'm again back with a new video. In this video I'm going to explain question number 6. And if you want the explanation of question number 6 in Hindi, I will provide the link of the video in the description and also at the end screen. So let's get started. This is our question. The question says find the area of figure 20.25. Here you can see the figure in the book. This is the image of the question in the book, and here you will see the figure of the animation. You just need to focus on the figure for now. We have to find the area of this figure 20.25 in square centimeter correct to one place of decimal. Okay, so the question has said us to find the area of the figure correct to one place of decimal. That means whatever the area of the figure will be, we will carry out one number after the decimal. And the question has said us to take pi is equal to 22/7. Okay, so the question has said that we have to take the value of pi 22/7 and nothing else. Let's get started. Let us see what all things have been given to us in the figure. In this figure, here you concentrate this figure. DC is equal to 10 centimeter. This is DC in this figure and this is equal to 10 centimeter. This is given in the book. And BC is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so DC and BC are of same length, 10 and 10. DE is equal to 8 centimeter. Focus on this figure. You will see this DE, this in red color, is 8 centimeter. And AE is 6 centimeter. These all sides have been given to us in the figure. We know the length of DC, we know the length of BC, we know DE, we know AE. These all sides length we know. The question has given. And the question has also said that angle DEA is equal to 90 degree. This angle DEA, this portion you can see, this is 90 degree. So let us see what the question has asked us to find. The question has asked us to find the area of this whole figure. And this figure is figure 20.25 in the book. So let us start our solution. Our solution's first step will be, first we will carry out the area of this square ABCD. This is the square I am talking about. This is square ABCD. Now you must be confused that this looks like a rectangle. Why am I saying this as a square? I am saying this rectangle like looking figure a square because these two sides of this figure, of this shape, are same. Even though it looks like a rectangle, it is a square because in the question the dimensions of this shape are same. That means we have to consider this shape as a square. So we will carry out the area of this square ABCD, which will be side into side. Area of the formula for the area of a square, which is side into side, we will put the values. This is one side 10 centimeter, this is the other side 10 centimeter. Square has same sides, so 10 into 10 is the area of this square ABCD is 100 centimeter square. So now we will take out the area of this semicircle on BC. This semicircle which is on BC. You can see this green semicircle is on BC. It's constructed on BC. How will I take out the area of this small semicircle? It's simple. We know the area formula for the area of a complete circle, which is pi r square. We are going to take out the area of a semicircle, so we will divide the area of a complete circle by 2. This way we will get the area of a semicircle. Hence, the formula for the area of a semicircle is pi r square by 2, because a semicircle is half the area of a circle. Just we need to put the values now. The question has said us to take pi 22 by 7. So we cannot take anything else. We cannot take 3.14. We don't know the value of radius. Now how will we carry out the value of radius of this semicircle, this green semicircle I am talking about? We know that this figures BC measures 10 centimeter, and this BC is also the diameter of this green semicircle. You can see that this BC is also the diameter of this green semicircle. It's clearly visible. So we know that a diameter is double the radius. Hence, we will carry out the radius by dividing the diameter of this circle by 2. We will get 5 centimeter as the radius of this green semicircle. Now we know the value of pi, we know the value of radius. Just we will put the value. Value of radius is 5. We will get the area of this green semicircle 39.2 centimeter square. This is the area of this green semicircle, 39.2 centimeter square. Let's move to our next step. The next step includes carrying out the area of the right triangle DEA. This is the right triangle DEA. This is the right triangle DEA. This red portion, you can see I have colored it so that it will be visible to you all. How will we carry out the area of this right triangle? It's simple actually. We will carry out the area of this right triangle with the help of the formula half into base into height. This formula is applied on every type of triangle. This is the formula for the area of any triangle. Half into base into height. Now, if you remember, then the question had given us this information that angle DEA is 90 degree. That's why I am saying that this triangle is a right triangle. The question has said us that DEA is 90 degree. That's why this red triangle is a right triangle. We know the base of this right triangle, which is 6 centimeter, and we know the height of this right triangle, which is 8 centimeter. Now, how did I know that this 6 centimeter and this 8 centimeter are the base and height of this right triangle? Now, this is a simple concept that the height of any rectangle is perpendicular to its base. Now, if you will observe carefully, if we consider this 6 centimeter as the base, then this 8 centimeter is perpendicular to this 6 centimeter. Here you can see 90 degree means perpendicular. This 8 centimeter is perpendicular to this base 6 centimeter. Now you can think of this 8 centimeter also as a base, because it depends upon your view. You can take any two sides of a right triangle as the base and height other than the hypotenuse. I mean to say that leaving the hypotenuse, the other two sides can be declared base and height. Here I can also say that this 8 centimeter is the base and this 6 centimeter is the height. That depends upon my perspective of view. So we know, so we have taken this 6 centimeter as the base and 8 centimeter as the height. We will put the values half into base into height. Base 6, height 8, 24 centimeter square is the area of this red right triangle. Now our next procedure will be the area of the remaining portion will be. What are we taking out here? Here we are taking out the area of the remaining portion. What is the area of remaining portion? This maroon portion you can see, this is the area of the remaining portion. This is the area of the remaining portion. Now why are we taking out the area of this remaining portion? Because in the question this line was not there. In order to take out the area of this whole figure, we joined this line. This line you can see, we connected a line from D to A. This line DA is drawn by us. We have drawn this line DA for carrying out the area of this whole figure easily. Hence, we have to subtract whatever the extra area is here. This is the extra area I am talking about, this DEA. The area of this right triangle is the extra area over here which we don't want. We only want the area of this purple portion. That's why I am going to subtract this extra area from the area of this whole square ABCD. Now you will understand properly when I will animate it. You will see this is the area of the whole square ABCD. Our purpose is to find the area of the remaining portion. We are going to subtract this red portion from this whole area of this whole black portion. We are going to subtract this red portion, which is the area of the right triangle, from this whole black portion, which is the area of the square which we carried out earlier, if you remember. After subtraction, you see I have subtracted here, that portion disappeared. This is the portion we get, and this is the required portion. This is the remaining portion which we want. Hence, after putting the values, 100 centimeter is the value for the area of the square ABCD which we carried out. If you remember, 24 centimeter square, now only we carried out 24 centimeter square, the area of this right triangle. After subtraction, 76 centimeter square is the area of the required portion. This is the area we want. Now we know the area of this remaining portion, and we know the area of the semicircle, 39.2 centimeter square. If you remember, we had carried out this earlier. We know the area of the remaining portion, we know the area of the semicircle. Now it's easy to carry out the area of this whole figure. We will add this with this. We will add the area of this remaining portion with the area of this semicircle. What we will get after addition? We will get the area of the whole figure, which is 115.2 centimeter square. Now here you will see this is the result. This is the final result which we wanted. 115.2. Here you can see I have taken only one digit after the decimal. Why? Because the question has asked us to find the answer correct to one place after the decimal. That's why we need to keep a number of one digit after the decimal. That's why we need to keep one digit after the decimal. This is the perfect right answer. Thank you.